Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, we've got the new numbers and they are pretty surprising. Now, we did see that starting in May, there was a steep decline of Windows 10. And that steep decline seems to be continuing at a very fast pace suddenly. The rise of Windows 11 follows that same decline of Windows 10 in a very fast pace. And now we end up with numbers that are pretty amazing. Windows 11 is now 53.4% of computers. Windows 10 is now 43%. There's a 10% difference now. Worldwide, this is not, for just North America, where we did see that those numbers were already pretty amazing. Worldwide, Windows 11 is now dominant. Windows 10 is now going to be, if it continues at this pace, below 40% next month. And at this fast pace, it's going to be below 30% by the end of the year. I think that the tactic that Microsoft is using to have people purchase new PCs, telling them that Windows 10 is at end of support, is working. Plus, there's probably a lot of enterprise that are now moving and buying new Windows 11 PCs. So this is pretty amazing. If we look at the numbers for North America, which were already pretty high, of course, there it's slower because Windows is already pretty dominant, but still, you could see it's growing. 55% in North America use Windows 11, 41.7% use Windows 10. I think now is the reality that Windows 11 is the operating system that is dominant. And the reality is that even though the number here worldwide at 40% is still high, there might not be that many people that will take the advantage of extending their Windows 10 machine. They might just jump to Windows 11. This will be interesting to combine with PC sales, see how it goes. But the tactic Microsoft is using definitely works, whether you like it or not. Windows 11 is now the dominant system around the world for Windows. What do you guys think about this? And it had to happen, but it's now happening at a very fast pace for the last 2 months. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.